I'll invite you to close your eyes, uncross your arms and legs, and ground your feet to the floor. We're going to take 3 deep breaths. 1 deep breath to connect with your male energy. Inhale and exhale. One deep breath to connect with your father. In and out. And 1 deep breath to connect with all the male ancestors in your lineage. In through your nose, now through your mouth. Now look at your father softly. Note any feelings that come up. See him standing in front of you. Acknowledge that he is the big one and you are the little one. See him completely with all of his successes, experience, knowledge, failures, challenges, and wisdom. Even if you didn't know him or had a difficult relationship with him, take him in just as he is and release all judgment towards him. If you can, bow in honor to your father and thank him for giving you life. Now see him transition to behind your right shoulder, connecting deeply with your direction. Now see all the men in your lineage from both sides of your family standing behind you. Also invite the women in your lineage to join you, creating a profound sense of balance. See all of your ancestors supporting your intuition, instincts, creativity, drive, and your power. Allow the collective intelligence from your ancestors to flow down and support you in stepping into your future. And when you can, bow towards your ancestors and repeat these words. Please bless me if I choose to do it differently. In your honor, I will succeed. Now sit in that feeling for a moment, deeply connected to your ancestral order. Breathe it all in. And when you're ready, come back into the space.